So, you're looking to get yourself into a dash cam, but you just don't know which one to get. Well, here is my list of the best and worst dash cams right now. We have just reviewed over 20 of the lowest and highest rated units, and have done a complete deep dive comparing all the specs, options, and features, reviewing online tests and reviews, getting customer feedback, comparing warranties, and discovering any recalls or major known defects. We then have created 5 categories that fits most buyers and then ranked them to see who is the best. And don't worry, I've added links to all of these products listed in the video description box below. Hey guys, I'm Jim, your loyal host, and this is Techie Tech News. Okay, let's start with the worst dash cams that you can buy right now. In general, there are many generic, unfamiliar name brands that simply just repackage components that they get from Chinese suppliers and then simply copy the competition. Now, it is best to look at brands that have actual reviews behind them, so that you at least have a good place to start. In today's market, most dash cams are way overpriced for what they truly offer. And quite frankly, even the best premium camera on our best list is much more than anyone really needs. Now, the 2 brands that we would recommend that you completely avoid are Blackview and Acumen. These brands target the higher end budget spectrum and are a complete waste of money. They offer you this illusion of being a premium product, yet they perform the same as any other $100 to $200 dash cam, but they mark themselves up to like around $400 on average. They generally use some gimmick to give you the false assumption that their value is really high, but don't trust it. Save your money and avoid these by far. And as for cameras that you can trust, let's go over our top 5 list. Rove R2 4K Pro, best well-featured dash cam. The R2 4K Pro dash cam records video up to 4K UHD at around 30 frames per second and can be set to 2K at 60 frames per second for smooth footage or reduced file sizes, with a 150 wide-angle field of view to capture a broad scene. It includes built-in GPS to log speed, location, and route data. It also offers dual-band Wi-Fi for smartphone connectivity and for file transfer, and a G sensor that detects sudden motion and locks important clips to prevent overwrites. A 2.4-inch IPS display lets you preview footage or adjust settings on the unit itself, while parking mode surveillance when parked, if you add the associated hardware kit, which is sold separately. The camera uses a supercapacitor battery, which is more heat tolerant than your standard batteries, and for power buffering during abrupt power loss. It also supports micro SD cards up to 512 gigabytes, and offers night vision or WDR for improved low light performance. Best of all, this model uses Sony's very own IMX335 CMOS sensor with an f1.5 aperture. Now, tech reviewers generally regard the R2 4K Pro as a very strong value for the money dash cam, praising its crisp daytime footage, integrated GPS, and easy mounting form factor. Its compact design and feature set, including parking modes, G-sensor detection, and decent nighttime visibility, earn positive comments, though many testers note the setup and default settings can be a little clunky compared to premium models. Now, customers generally enjoy the camera's video quality, GPS tagging, and ease of installation, saying that it offers reliability out of the box and that setup is pretty straightforward. Many buyers do like the suction cup mount and the non-invasive installation design, which makes it suitable even for rental cars or travel. A reoccurring theme in user feedback is frustration with the Wi-Fi app connectivity, which does occasionally have issues when transferring footage to phones, leading some to prefer manual SD card file access. Now, Rove offers a 12-month limited warranty, which can be extended to 15 months if the product is registered shortly after purchase. Warranty covers defects in materials and workmanship. So why buy this unit? Well, it's ideal for drivers seeking a budget-friendly yet capable 4K dash cam with useful features like GPS, parking monitoring, and smartphone connectivity. It's especially suited for everyday commuters, frequent travelers, or anybody wanting reliable incident recording without the premium cost of high-end dash cams. And in the future, if you need to find more tech deals, simply visit techietechnews.com. Vantrue E1 Pro, best compact dash cam. The E1 Pro is a compact single-channel dash cam that captures true 4K Ultra HD video at 30 frames per second using the Sony Stavros 2 IMX678 sensor, giving you sharp footage of road signs, pedestrians, and license plates both day and night. It sports a 158-degree wide-angle lens, built-in GPS logging of speed and locations, 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast wire transfer to your phone via companion app, and voice control for hands-free operation while driving. The E1 Pro also includes a 24/7 buffering parking mode, offering collision detection, low bitrate and low frame rate parking recording options to conserve storage, and support for a microSD card up to 1 TB. A small 1.54-inch display on the unit lets you preview footage and change settings, and an included CPL filter which helps reduce glare and reflections for clear daytime shots. Tech reviewers generally praise the E1 Pro for its excellent 4K video clarity and dynamic range in a very compact body, noting that it competes strongly with higher-end priced dashcams thanks to its Starvis 2 sensor and PlayPix technology for enhanced license plate capture. Some point out that the small screen and dated interface make menu navigation less intuitive, but overall, reviewers describe it as a feature-rich, value-oriented 4K dashcam that balances performance and is well priced. Now on the customer front, they report that the E1 Pro's video quality is impressively sharp and reliable, especially in daylight and moderate nighttime conditions, making it easy to capture useful footage for insurance or evidence. The GPS and Wi-Fi app connectivity are appreciated for giving quick access to location tag clips, and the parking mode is a standout feature for users who want 24/7 monitoring. Vantrue offers an 18-month manufacturer's warranty covering defects in material and workmanship when used under normal conditions. So ultimately, who is this for? Well, this dashcam is suited for those who want high-resolution 4K recordings and advanced features, but it's also its compact size that makes it desirable for anyone who wants to minimize its visual footprint, considering it more of an eyesore than anything. Vantrue N4S3, Best Value Multi-Channel Dashcam. The Vantrue N4S3 is a 3-channel dashcam that simultaneously records your vehicle's front in 2.7K resolution, interior in 2K resolution, and rear in 2K resolution for comprehensive coverage around the car, making it ideal for rideshare or family use. It uses Sony's Starvis 2 CMOS sensor with PlayPix technology and HDR IR night vision to enhance detail capture in low lighting conditions and even at night or in harsh weather. The system includes 5 GHz Wi-Fi for faster app connections and downloads, built-in GPS for precise speed and location logging, and voice control for hands-free commands like saving videos or taking a photo. Its 10-second pre-buffer and 24/7 parking mode with motion detection helps ensure incidents around your parked vehicle are captured, while the IP67 rated rear camera provides rugged, weather-resistant performance. The unit allows a microSD card of up to 1 TB for extended recordings. Now, tech reviewers generally view the N4S as a feature-rich 3-channel dashcam with excellent coverage and night recording performance, often highlighting its advanced sensors and comprehensive footage quality, or the price. The combination of multiple lenses with Starvis 2 and PlayPix tends to deliver clearer and more usable evidence footage, especially helpful in low light or complex lighting conditions, according to detailed reviews. As for customers, they praise the N4S3 for clear daytime and nighttime video quality across all 3 cameras, saying it gives peace of mind for the road and for parking situations. Users also frequently mention features like the GPS logging and 24/7 parking mode, and voice controls are standout benefits that help them capture key events without distraction. Now, Vantrue offers a 12-month manufacturer's warranty that can be extended to 18 months when you register the product with the manufacturer shortly after purchase. So, ultimately, why buy the N4S3? Well, it best suits drivers who want a comprehensive 3-camera protection system with strong night vision, GPS logging, and parking surveillance. It is absolutely ideal for anyone wanting detailed evidence capture from multiple angles. 70mm M310 Best Budget Level Dashcam. The M310 dashcam is an affordable entry-level dashcam that records at 2304 by 1296 video resolution at 30 frames per second using a 3-megapixel sensor, offering about 1.5 times the clarity of a standard 1080p recording for clear footage of incidents and emergency events. It has a 130-degree wide-angle lens to capture a broad field of view with loop recording that overwrites old files automatically, and a built-in Wi-Fi with app control so that you can download and view clips on your phone. The M310 also includes voice control for hands-free commands, has a G sensor that automatically locks critical clips upon detecting sudden impacts, with time-lapsed recordings, and a Type-C power port for easier installation and better power stability. There's 24-hour smart parking surveillance and collision detection support when hardwired with the optional kit. The device also supports microSD cards from 16GB up to 256GB. Now, online reviewers generally regard the M310 as a great value for the money dashcam, with features commonly found on more expensive models, including a crisp QHD video quality and easy-to-use app. Its compact, minimalist design and straightforward installation make it accessible for most drivers, even those new to dashcams. Now, they do note that night performance and Wi-Fi stability are not as strong as premium models. As for customers, they often comment that the M310 delivers clear daytime footage and easy setup, making it a reliable choice for just basic dashcam needs. Many users like the wide-angle view and the app connectivity, which simplify reviewing and sharing recordings on the phone. Now, some buyers have reported some intermittent connectivity issues with the app and the occasional inconsistencies with parking mode recording without the hardware kit, but they're far and few in between. 70mi provides an 18-month limited hardware warranty that covers defects in materials and workmanship for the original purchaser, with repair and replacement at the company's discretion. So who is this for? Well, this dashcam is ideal for drivers who just want a solid basic protection system with clear footage without having to spend over $50. It's suited for everyday commuting, insurance evidence, and general road safety documentation. Viofo A329S, Best Premium Dashcam. The A329S series offers high-resolution 4K video at 60 frames per second from its front camera with a Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 8-megapixel sensor, delivering extremely clear and smooth footage, especially during the day. The 2-channel and 3-channel versions add 2K cabin or rear cameras, with 3-channel cabin lens supporting up to 210-degree fisheye view for an extremely wide interior coverage. All configurations include Wi-Fi 6 for fast downloads to your smartphone, built-in GPS for speed and route logging, along with voice control and notifications, with multiple parking modes such as hybrid parking recording, impact detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording, loop recording, G-sensor event logging, and support for a microSD card up to 512GB, and external SSD support for up to 4TB ensures that you can capture event footage without frequent rewriting. Slim coaxial cables make installation tidy, and CPL filters help reduce glare and reflections in bright conditions. Now, online testers regard the A329S as a feature-rich premium dashcam that pushes video quality and performance to the near top of the consumer market, with many reviewers highlighting that crisp 4K 60 frames per second video and reliable multi-camera coverage across the variants. Expert review note that it handles day and night lighting conditions very well, and that the Wi-Fi 6 transfer speeds and smart parking recording modes set it apart from lower-end models. Now, customers frequently praise the A329S for its impressive video clarity and reliable performance, especially its front 4K footage and wide fields of view across all channels. Many owners highlight that the parking modes and fast Wi-Fi transfers are useful conveniences that make reviewing clips much easier. Now, some users do note that installation can be time-consuming, especially for the 3-channel variant, and that the full hardware installation kit is essential for full parking surveillance capabilities. Viofo offers an 18-month warranty on its cameras with the option to extend to 24 months via product registration, while accessories are covered for only 12 months under standard terms. The warranty covers defects in materials and workmanship. So why buy this unit? Well, this dashcam is ideal for drivers seeking top-tier video quality, multi-camera coverage, and the most advanced smart parking modes available, which will help anybody in the rideshare market or families who want comprehensive protection while on the road. Hey folks, thanks for watching. If you have any questions at all, please post them in the comment section below and I will personally assist you. And also remember that Amazon has an excellent return policy to help you minimize the risk. And as always, please let us know which dashcam you would choose. Again, links to all of these items are posted in the video description box below, and guys, when you're done, you gotta check out the next video.